We're here at Laguna Beach. It's day 4. About to get our boogie board on. Hit some pretty sweet waves. It's a little cloudy again, but probably around noon it should be clearing up. It's a great day. It's about 72 degrees and it is beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed today. Today's just a beach day. We're gonna be chilling for a couple hours, then probably head back to Uncle Mike's, hit by the pool, get a nap in, and then hit a really nice dinner. So I'm actually really excited because it's probably one of the best steaks I've ever eaten, and I am pumped for it. So hope you guys enjoy. Let's get it. People, this is probably one thing we've all been waiting for. It is night 4,
yes,
and it's the only night that deserves 3 words.
Treat yourself.
Treat yourself. Hey, we about to go get our grub on. Let's get it. Sorry. It's all God. They took all the plates. They took all the plates. They took all the plates without a keyword. Treat yourself. That's what we did. We did it. That was day 4, people. Beach it, ate it, we're done. Time to go home and sleep.
Hey everyone, The Journey here. Thanks for watching.
Hope you guys enjoyed the videos. Click that subscribe button down below to watch more awesome videos.
Check out our website for sweet merch, blogs, and awesome content.
And if you're on social media, make sure that you're checking us out on Facebook and Instagram.
Like us, share us, wear us.
Journey signing off.